There are a couple of different ways that students and adults can use voice typing in order to get their voice recognized as text. We're going to take a look at a couple of short videos that have already been done and a couple of things you can use with slides and forms as well as docs. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is a video by video.appsevents.com using just the Google Docs typing tool.
So let's go ahead and find voice typing. Where is it? Well, it's in your tools menu. So go ahead and find your tools menu, scroll down, and there you will find voice typing. If this is the very first time that you're using voice typing, then you will have to give it access to your microphone. Now, an internal microphone usually works just fine. An external microphone will pick up even more detail when you're speaking. Now, in order for Google Docs to be able to access that microphone, you're going to have to give it permission. Now, the first time you tap on this brand new icon, the microphone icon, it is going to ask you for access. Go ahead and give it access to your microphone, and you will see that the color changes from a gray color into a red circle. This red circle indicates that Google Docs is listening to everything you say. As soon as it's red, you can start speaking, and every word you say will be written down in a Google document. That in itself is not enough, and Google has thought of this. So there are numerous voice commands available that you can use in voice typing to make voice typing much faster, quicker, and even allow you to add some editing. So let me just quickly demonstrate the basic voice typing functionality. This is going to be a basic demonstration of just how easy it is to use voice typing in Google Docs, period. Not only can you use this to quickly type everything you speak into a Google document, you can also use this to annotate an interview or an entire lesson, full stop. And there you go. As you see, it picks up every word I say and it types it down accurately and with correct punctuation. Now we're going to take this a little bit further. We're going to add some basic formatting. Now I will leave a link in the description below to the complete help document that is going to show you all the different voice commands. But today I'm going to just highlight two that I think you will enjoy. So let's go ahead and look at what these do. I'm going to tap my microphone one more time so it starts recording. And this time I'm going to add some formatting, full stop. Text color red. As you can see, I have now changed the text color, full stop. Text color blue. And we can keep changing this, and we can use every single color Google uses in their logo, period. Text color green. You see that the text briefly appears onto the screen, and then Google interprets this and quickly switches between the different colors, period. Text color black. And now we're back to regular text, full stop. Italics. That's right, you can even add some other types of formatting, full stop. So as you can see, as with shortcuts and typing, you can also use voice commands, and these are like shortcuts that allow you to do many different things. There are dozens of voice commands available built into voice typing, and that's why I would highly recommend that you check out that link below.
Using that same idea, you can do the same thing on slides. There's a slight workaround. So the difference is, let's move on to a new slide. The difference is that it's going to put it down here in the speaker notes. You're still going to go under Tools, and you're going to go to Voice Type, but you'll notice it says Speaker Notes. You can also use your Control-Shift-S to get this to start working. It gives you the microphone here. Now when I click on the microphone, it's going to start recording my voice, period, just like it did on the document, period. To put that into my slide, I can quickly copy it, open up my text box, and paste it. So that's a slight workaround on Google Slides. It won't put it directly onto your slide, but it can put it into your notes, and then you can just simply do a quick copy and paste. And the kids, I think, would be able to handle that, most of the kids. And then the other way you can do this now in Forms, there's not going to be either of these options. Or you can also just use this website, dictation.io, on any document. You can use it in docs and slides as well. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that video as well. First, I'm going to quick show you that there is also a page that will show you the voice commands. There will be a link in the email to this page as well. And there was for the help page for the Google Docs voice commands too. So you can go in and click on the categories. It'll show you if you want to put in this is what you say. And if you want this punctuation mark, you can say full stop, dot, point, or period. All of those would give you that. So that link will also be in there. Let's take a look at their quick video.
To start dictation, you can either click this microphone icon or you can click the start button. Now, the first time you use dictation, Chrome would require you to grant access to the microphone, so just click allow. Once you have granted access, you'll see a little camera icon in the address bar, which means that dictation is ready to accept your voice commands. Also, if you click this camera icon, you'll see a list of all the available microphones that are attached to your computer. So in case you have multiple mics attached to your computer, you can just choose the one that you would like to use with dictation. So we are all set. Let's start typing with our voice now. Dear Mr. Paul, comma, new paragraph. I'm writing to you with a new business idea. Full stop. It's called dictation and, comma, after much planning and research, comma, the time has finally come to bring it to the market. Period. New paragraph. I'm looking for an investment from you for about $125,000. Full stop. New paragraph. If you have any questions, comma, please contact me at 821-819-1286. Period. New paragraph. Sincerely, comma, new sentence, Amit Agrawal, space, smiley. Go to sleep. Now that our recording is complete, you can perform a few actions. You can copy the content to the clipboard and paste it in another app like Gmail or Microsoft Word. You also have an interesting play option that uses text-to-speech to play back your transcribed document in computer's voice.
So as you can see, these are very easy tools to use. Go ahead and check them out and give them a try. If you like them, you can show your kids how to use them, or you can show your kids this video on how to use them.